Yo, what's up, YouTube? Gaming&Garage coming at you with another cool video. Today gonna be changing a light bulb on the Camaro. Let me see. So two of you guys need for this little job. Gonna need something like this. So I got all the good tools, man. All the good stuff. I need this. Get this off. There she go right here. Gonna need, I don't know if you guys can see that. That's what you're gonna need. But you know, yeah, my hair is kind of crazy. It's one of those days. You want to pop the trunk? Perfect. All right. Now you want to just take this. You want to just, you know. Bada boom. Get that off of there. Three screws or plastic screws, whatever you want to call these thingies. This one's kind of hard to pull out. Yeah, this one's kind of hard. I don't know why, but whatever. Oh, there you go. There you go. You guys can see what I'm doing. Now it's really hard to do it with one hand. We almost got it. There we go. Yeah, that was the hardest. All right, I just want to take these out. Bada boom, bada bam. I got the little Mustang over there. Messed with that yesterday. You just want to take this shield off. And I think it was this one. I didn't even grab my key, which I should have grabbed when I was in there. Just remove this out the way. As you see. There we go. Yeah, she's pretty much done for. And like I said, you want these little thingamahoozes 3157. That's what you're gonna need. I need to take this one out too as well. You just want to twist and turn. She'll pop right out. Match them up right quick. Let's get this one open. Just a second, guys. All right, let's see if they work. Looks like they work. Cool. All right, let's put it back. Okay, guys, I just got it in there. It was kind of like a tight squeeze. If you guys can see it right there. That one was easy. That one was kind of like hard because my hand's kind of big, so. And that's how you do it. Same thing with this side too as well. Plug is right there too also. Let's check them out, see if they work. We're gonna start up in just a second. Put these back on there. Here we go. I hate these plugs sometimes, they kind of annoying. This one goes here. It's kind of hot in here too. I do got a fan, but I didn't even turn it on yet. Oh shoot. Put that back. Right here. I think this one go right here. That was the toughest one. Yep. I need a rubber mallet. I was stuck. Don't know why. Those are on there good. I'm gonna get that in a minute. Start it up for you guys. Why does it keep doing that for? I don't know why it does that. There we go. I think my battery might be loose. Alright. Well, that's how you change a brake light and a brake light turn signal on a 2010 Camaro. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one. You guys take care. Peace.